A new war of words has erupted between Iran, the United States, and Kuwait after deadly attacks struck Kuwait International Airport and other key facilities. Iran's Revolutionary Guard denied launching any missile or drone attacks, claiming the damage was caused by a malfunctioning US Patriot missile system. But the US Central Command rejected that claim, calling it false and accusing Iran of carrying out a deliberate attack on a civilian airport using drones. Kuwait says the strikes killed at least one person and injured dozens more. The country temporarily shut its airspace and suspended flights before later resuming operations after safety inspections.